Okay, बच्चा लोग welcome back. This is the third time that the video is getting interrupted because of Google ad. Let's hope अभी नहीं होगा, डेटा ही बंद कर दिया है. वीडियो रिकॉर्ड होगा या नहीं होगा, दैट इज़ अनदर क्वेश्चन. वो तो वीडियो ख़त्म होने के बाद ही मालूम पड़ेगा. Okay, look at the problem 2.1 where line RP and line MS are two parallel lines. They are parallel to each other, and the line DK is the transversal which intersects the two parallel line at point H and point G. Given angle DHP is 85 degrees. Forget about this. This is not given in the problem. The problem says we have to find angle RHD, angle PHG, angle HGS and angle MGK. Forget about the symbols. I'll explain you later. First one is we have to find angle RHD. Okay, we can say angle RHD plus DHP is equal to 180 degrees. Bracket मध्ये reason angles in a linear pair. What is that? Angles in a linear pair. Okay, so 180 minus 85 किया, we get 95 degrees. Okay, we got this. Second problem, angle PHG. Okay, this is already 95 degrees, so automatically this will be 95 degrees. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Okay, 95 degrees, 95 degree, vertical opposite angle. Next question is angle HGS. To find this particular angle, what will be this? We can use interior angle theorem again, and minus 180 minus 95, you get this 85. Or you can avoid करायचं आहे, एका सेंटेन्स मध्ये तुम्हाला फिनिश करायचं आहे शॉर्टकट मध्ये. So you can use corresponding angle theorem. Angle HGS is equal to angle DHP, that is equal to 85 degrees. And bracket मध्ये लिहायचं corresponding angle test. Okay, you got this 85. If this is 85, the last problem is MGK. Okay, MGK again vertically opposite angle. Okay, now we have to find MGK. We already have this 85 degrees. If this is 85, this will be again 85 degrees. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angles. So we have to write angle HGS is equal to angle MGK. Bracket मध्ये reason vertically opposite angle. Okay, let's see RHD. This RHD was solved as angles in a linear pair. This is the symbol for angles in a linear pair. This was vertically opposite angle. Okay, forget about this. Then HGS we found with corresponding angle test. देखो ध्यान से symbol corresponding का थोड़ा mix up हो गया है, but you can see anyway. And last one was MGK, which we solved using vertically opposite angle test. Okay, vertically opposite angle ते symbolically पण दिलेलं आहे मी तुम्हाला. But after the detailed explanation, I don't think you require these symbols to understand. Diagram के ऊपर ही समझ में आ गया है. चलो good, we'll move to the next problem. Okay, next problem इधर थोड़ा गचड़ी हो गया था, overwriting वगैरह. So I have made again a diagram over here. This is problem number 2. Okay, keep something here यार, उड़ रहा है बार बार. Okay, डायग्राम ब्लॅक मध्ये केलं तर जास्त उत्तम दिसतं ना, it looks better. Okay, now we have P and Q, these two lines and two transversal. From here some different kind of problem we are dealing with now in 9th standard. Okay, where we have two parallel lines and two transversal. अभी तक 6th 7th 8th में क्या किया था? Two lines and one transversal. Now we are dealing with two transversal. Okay, when you go in 10th standard, you will come across with problems where you will have three parallel lines and two transversals. Okay, अजून एक लेवल वरती जाणार आहे. So whatever you are learning in your 9th standard, you are not supposed to forget. I'm not talking only in relation with your maths subject, but it applies to each and every subject. Okay, including your science, maths आणि history, geography सुद्धा. Okay, चलो come back to our maths. जे करता है तिथे P and Q are parallel and L and M are transversal. Okay, in order to avoid confusion, it's always better that in your question paper you mark your transversal and with a pencil and put that transversal, so that you don't get confused between parallel line and transversal. Okay, chalo, here we have to find angle A, B, C and D. Given is this angle is 110 degree, this is 115 degrees, it's given. Okay, Chalo, start with the first case. In every time while solving this, what we have to do is we have to cover one transversal and look at only half the picture. Okay, where line and P and Q are parallel and L is the transversal. Okay, सध्या फक्त एवढ्या पोर्शन वरती लक्ष द्यायचं आहे तुम्हाला. Ignore this particular half, this transversal. At presently while solving you have to consider only this particular transversal. Okay, the given angle is 110 degrees. Then we can say that angle A plus 110 degrees is equal to 180 degree. Reason bracket मध्ये angles in a linear pair. बरोबर. This we get 180 minus 110, 70 degrees. This is 70 degrees. बरोबर. क्लियर है. ये 70 डिग्री हो गया, ये 110 डिग्री हो गया. Now let's consider an angle x over here. Okay, इथे काही दिले नाही आहे. We have to consider an angle x over here. So that angle A and angle x is 70 degree. Corresponding angle test. Okay, we have to find B. If B find करायला we have taken x over here so that we have a relation to show that these are corresponding angles. This becomes 70 degree. Automatically this becomes 70 degree. X is equal to B. That is equal to 70 degree. Bracket मध्ये reason vertically opposite angles. बरोबर. A और B find कर लिया. Now we have to find C and D. That means now forget about this particular portion and focus on this part of the problem, that is line P and Q are parallel and line M is a transversal. Okay, here this is 115 degrees given. 115 degrees दिया है, तो this becomes angle D plus 115 degrees is equal to 180 degree. Again angles in a linear pair. बरोबर. Subtract करो, minus करो, you get the answer something around 75. 75 मिलता है ना. Okay, चलो whatever it you find that you will get. Okay, calculation केल्यानंतर you will come across that whatever the angle D कितना है, that will be 75. If that is 75, here again you can take an angle. Okay, इथे Z घ्यायचा आहे, जर नाही घ्यायचा नका घेऊ. We can still solve this particular problem. This is 115 degrees, so automatically this will also become 115 degrees. Why? Alternate angles are congruent. बरोबर. Alternate angles are congruent. If this is 115, this is 115. P and Q are parallel and this is a transversal, so alternate angle test, this becomes 115. If this becomes 115 and if D 65 आला है तो automatically C पण 65 येणार. कसं काय? Again use angles in a linear pair. This is 115 plus C is equal to 180 degree. So automatically after solving this you will get C is equal to 75, 65 क्या आता है देखो उसमें. ओके, कॅल्क्युलेट करून ते मायनस सबट्रॅक्ट करून बघितलं तर ठीक आहे. आता सध्या आय एम होल्डिंग द मोबाईल, सो आय एम गेटिंग कन्फ्यूज. I cannot do the calculation right now. What is problem number 3? अब problem number 3 मी लिहिलेलं नाही आहे. Okay, let us see what is problem number 3. 45. A, B, C, D. Here it is A, B, C and D. This is 45 degrees. Okay, now this is again an interesting problem where forget about the lines names. Okay, I forgot to write, गरजेचा नहीं है. Okay, these two lines are parallel to each other and also the transversals are parallel to each other. Okay, they are just not mere transversal but these are also parallel to each other. Okay, that means now here we have to find A, B, C and D. So first we'll start from A. How can you find A? 45 degrees, parallel line and a parallel line. These are parallel lines and consider this as a transversal. If this is 45 degrees, B will be 45 degrees. Corresponding angle test. Okay, now then corresponding angle test you got B 45. Then to find A you have A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 180 minus 45, 135. You get A is equal to 135. If A is 135, again D will be 135. vertically opposite angle. Now B is 45, then again here consider an angle X over here. If B is 45, this will be 45, vertically opposite angle. And if this is 45 degree, X is equal to C is equal to 45 degree. Why? Here it will be corresponding angle test. बरोबर, एकदम easy है. One more thing we have to cover, more two problems we have to cover, but since it is already a 10 minutes plus video, I think 1 GB almost झालं असेल. So this problem number 4 and problem number 5 we will cover in the next video. Okay, I will send you the photographs of all these 5 proofs. You have to copy the statements from those particular photographs. In the video you only have to understand the problem and the solution. Statement wise copy करायला मी तुम्हाला photos पाठवतोय solution चे. Okay, don't worry. Problem number 4 and 5 will do in the next video. I'll catch you. Okay, I'll come back within 2 minutes.